Now, ready? 1, 2, 3. Good competition. Very good competition. Oh, Bilawal is Bilawal is trying. But look, here is the Shahir. He have touched the pole first. Oh, he's the winner in this team. Okay. Next team will be the Tazim and Abdullah. Tazim and Abdullah. Okay, ready, man. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, one side is Abdullah and Tazim. Very good, very good, very good. Abdullah win. Abdullah win this competition. Well done, Abdullah. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go, man. Go, man. Very good. Very good, very good. Very good, Hassan. Hassan is going fast. Hassan is beating Samir. Very good. Very good. Very good. Hassan have won the game, please. Calm down, man. Calm down. The winner of this team is the Hassan. Okay? Gentlemen, now the final between Hassan, Abdullah and Shahir. Abdullah and Shahir. Okay, man. Please be ready. Are you ready?